We are here at the Port Orleans French Quarter. This is a moderate Disney hotel, so let's take a look around and see what it's like. We can start over here by the door where you come in. This is a first floor, which is the ground floor room, so this goes out directly onto the pavement. You get your room occupied sign, got your door lock, you got this thing, and this other thing for locking the door, and then you have your evacuation route with Jiminy Cricket, who seems a bit worn out. Did the colour ink run out when they printed that? But that's where you come in, and then we'll go around this way. So you've got the windows, the curtains are drawn at the minute because it's dark outside, but we can have a look outside. So this is the cheapest room. This is just a standard view, so that's a standard car park right there. And then in front of this window you have these curtains and blinds, nets, that's the word. So you've got these nets for privacy, but they don't block out the light. They don't have the curtain rails overlaps, so it's a bit of a pain to get them to overlap correctly. If we just tweak that. Then we have the blackout curtains for keeping the light out. So coming down from there is the air conditioning unit, disguised as like a windowsill ledge thing, and the controls for it on the other side of the room over there. Then carrying on round, there's a little sofa, and above it is some Tiana's artwork, and then by your sofa you've got a table. This isn't a sofa bed as far as I'm aware. No, it doesn't really seem to move. That's just a sofa and a table for eating at. And then if we carry on around, you got some bins, recycling and trash, and then you have this massive like countertop area with drawers and stuff. So if we start at the top, there's the TV, kind of central to the beds. Then on the left hand side there's a shelving unit with an ice bucket, Mardi Gras New Orleans themed, and then Cuisinart Brew 2 coffee maker. It's not quite the Keurig, but there's one of them. And then this massive countertop with USB-C and USB-A, and then two plugs, and then repeated again here with a HDMI port as well, which must be for putting your own stuff onto the TV. And then there is a gigantic amount of drawer space, so let's have a look. Yep, so the two top ones are like wide and shallow. Then yep, deep and wide, the next two. And then repeated again at the bottom, deep and wide. So what's that, 6 drawers there? Then there's this little grill door, and if you open this, there is a beverage cooler with a warning that it cools to 41 degrees only. It's not a fridge. There's a beverage cooler. And then off to the left is one more wide and deep drawer. And beneath that there's a little cubby hole, I guess for shoes or something like that. Then on this wall is the thermostat and a light switch for the bathroom. This door here slides across. We'll slide it across in a minute and go check out the bathroom. But that divides the room from the bathroom. And then as you come around, there's more Tiana's artwork and the beds. So this has 2 queen beds, and they're pretty big. So we start at this side. There's a bedside table there. Then there's the queen bed. There's reading lights on either side, and 4 pillows and a long sausage pillow. And then here in the center, you've got your light switches. Oh, there's another light. Oh, there's a ceiling fan. Look at that. Alright, we just found the ceiling fan. That's nice. And then another light, and this little ledge, and then your bedside table. Let me turn that ceiling fan off before it interferes with the audio. You've got your Hey Disney. Oh, it heard me. And your telephone, some information.
I'll get Alexa for that.
Oh no, please stop.
I have an answer for that.
And then behind here, there is the 2 plugs, USB-A and then USB-C again, like we saw on the worktop. Then, on the bedside table, there's some storage as well, there. And then the bed is repeated again here, with another queen bed, identical to the other one, but there's no bedside table on the side. There is on the other side, so not quite symmetrical. And then as you come around here, there's a little coat hook thing. And then I think that is about it for the room. The beds have underbed storage. It's hollow under there. Yeah, there you go. See, hollow under the beds for storing your suitcases and stuff. And then we can then go and check out the bathroom through this sliding door. Whoa, that's me. This is the bathroom. It's got the double sink, which is nice. We'll start round here. So you've got your extra pillow and blanket, a big safe. Then you've got a load of coat hangers, a luggage rack, and a little wardrobe unit, I guess. There's this full-length mirror, and then as you come round to the side, there's an ironing board, and then a bunch of cubby holes for stuff. So there's a steamer, a hairdryer, and then a bin. So if we carry on round, here's the big mirror we saw when we walked in. This gigantic mirror. There's a notice about how room service works here, so you get it every other day, not every day, in the moderate hotels. And then off to the side, there's this magnifying mirror thing, or regular magnified. A little holder for the towels, and then 2 sinks. You get some hand soap and body lotion. There's no mouthwash or cotton buds or anything like that we got at the deluxe resorts. And then underneath that, there's a little storage area for towels and toiletries. And then that's a little pull-out stool if you're short. Yep, a little pull-out stool if you're short. So if we carry on round through this door on the left, it slides open to reveal the toilet and shower. So in here we have towels hanging up. There's the toilet, and then there's this shower cubicle with a bath as well. So we have a look in there. There's your shower head, washing line, and then there's a shower and a bath. It's quite hard to get that in shot. There you go, a bath. And then off to the side here, there's the body wash, shampoo and conditioner, and another towel. And there's some towel hooks on the side as well. So that is the bathroom. So that is a tour of the room. I'll report back after I've slept here and stayed here for a few days to let you know what it's like, and we'll go on a little tour of the resort later on, but that is the overview of the room. Port Orleans French Quarter is a lovely resort. It's themed around New Orleans with various buildings spread out over a small resort, meaning that no matter what room you get, it's no more than a few minutes walk to the lobby. On the leisure side, there's a swimming pool with a hot tub. For food, there's a food court with multiple cuisines. There's some New Orleans inspired dishes like gumbo, and then your classic American and Italian dishes. The resort is probably most famous for its beignets, which can be found in a little cafe next to the food court. I had these and can confirm they're lovely. The buses run regularly to the parks, and if you want to go to Disney Springs, you can sail there on a boat if you'd like. It's nearly time to check out, so let's have a little recap of what it was like staying at Port Orleans French Quarter for a week. So I think the short version is it was very good. This is quite a nice resort. So this is fairly small. My room is probably about as far as you could get from reception, and it takes me about 2 minutes to walk from here to reception. And reception is also where the food court and stuff is as well, so that's good. In terms of the room, the beds are super comfy. I've been sleeping well. I haven't really heard any noise from the other rooms. They seem to be well insulated. I can hear people when they walk past or roll a suitcase past the front door sort of thing, but because we're kind of isolated out in the corner of the resort, that doesn't happen often. This is a ground floor room as well. What else is there to say? The buses are exclusive to this resort as well. They don't share them with Port Orleans Riverside, so that's good. And this is super close to Epcot, so it takes maybe 5 minutes to get to Epcot and back here, so it's super handy if you're going to Epcot. Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios are also pretty close. The only one that takes a noticeable amount of time to get to is Animal Kingdom, and that's maybe 10-15 minutes, but that's fine. In terms of the rooms, this is a moderate resort. That means that you get room service every other day, which has been fine. It's a bit meh that you don't get it every day, considering the Disney hotels aren't that cheap, but it's been fine. If you want more towels or any specific room service items, you can just go and ask at reception and they'll sort you out. The beds are comfy. Everything works well. So yeah, I really enjoyed the stay here for the price. I think it's pretty decent. I'd come back. I like that it's small and quiet. It's nicely themed. It's got a New Orleans theme. It's got a pool with a hot tub as well. There's a little kids playground thing. The food court's good. It's got a variety of different items and cuisines you can get there. And yeah, overall it's just been quite a pleasant stay. I would come back here again. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and catch you next time.